So this is my egg white quarantine. We're gonna have 5 whole eggs and 4 yolks. And this is the egg white quarantine. Again, don't throw these away. That's breakfast. So here we are for shells. 1 for shells. And or I guess we could just use that same one for shells. Use that same one for shells, and then 1 to capture the whole eggs. So we got 1, 2. Man, that crust smells really, really good. It smells like molasses and graham crackers. 3, 4, and 5. Now we need 4 yolks. And again, like I mentioned, this is the quarantine here. If I were using this for a meringue, I would actually have another bowl here, because you don't want to have any yolk end up in your whites for a meringue, because you won't be able to whip your meringue with yolk in it, because yolk is primarily fat, and that lubricates the protein strands in the egg white, and it makes it really, really hard, if not impossible, to whip together a meringue successfully. It's also because why it makes it nearly impossible to whip a meringue in a plastic bowl, because plastic is made of what? Oil, which is molecularly very, very close to the kind of fat we would eat, which lubricates the whites such that you can't make a meringue. So that's why some pastry chefs get fussy about what kind of bowls they use. I'm only a little fussy about it. So we'll put these away for breakfast, along with our butter. I have toast and a whole mess of eggs. Here we go. Now, what I'm going to do is incorporate these guys nice and slow. So we get the camera in here. And I'm doing that not because slowly, really for 2 reasons. 1, insurance. I want to make sure that they incorporate evenly. And let's go ahead and knock it down one more time. And the other thing is splatter. If we just dump them in all at once, this is just going to become a big splattery mess, and we don't want that. So we're going to go one at a time, let it incorporate or start to incorporate. You don't have to wait for it to get fully incorporated. A lot of recipes will tell you to do that. You don't actually have to wait for full incorporation. You can get close. And here we go. Adding them in, each little egg as it goes. And you see how it's kind of breaking up, but soon it'll start to just come together into a single smooth mass, and then you can kind of kick up the speed just a little bit. There we go. And the last little bit. I'm going to kick it back down and let it run.